lands of Zaron. The humans of Kupa Keep struggle to stay alive, as they are attacked by the wicked drow elves of Larnia. Darkness falls, as the humans beg their king to save them, a noble king known only as the Grand Wizard. For 1,000 years, the battle has been waged, with only the bravery of the Grand Wizard to protect his human followers. But even though the Wizard King is so undeniably cool, the drow elf armies continue their attacks. They seek the humans' most treasured relic, the Stick of Truth. But the tides of war soon change, as news of a new kid spreads throughout the land. In order to save the humans, the Grand Wizard must get to the new kid, before the drow elves can manipulate his mind, and use him to take the sacred relic from human hands. For whomever controls the stick, controls the universe.
Well, I think that's everything.
We did it, hun. We're really moved in.
It's a new beginning for us. Things are finally going to be good.
Do you really think it will be better for him?
They won't look for him here. We just need to make sure he doesn't attract any attention. Come on, let's see how he's doing.
Sweetie? Hun, you all dressed?
Hey, champ. How do you like your new room? I know it's a big change for all of us, but, son, do you remember why we moved to this quiet little mountain town? He doesn't remember.
He doesn't remember at all.
That's good he doesn't remember.
Sweetie, we want you to have lots of fun here. Why don't you go out and make some friends?
Right, get outside and play, son, like normal kids.
We've got some money for you on the kitchen counter, sweetie. Just be back before it gets dark.
Yeah, we love you too.
You are this close to a timeout. No, no.
Come on, son, get out there, make friends. That's enough!
shall die by my warhammer! Hey, no fair! That's cheating! I'm gonna tell my mom! Thanks, kid. I didn't realize he had a health potion. My name is Butters the Merciful. I'm a paladin. I live right next door to you. We should be friends. Now that we're friends, you should speak with the Wizard King. He's been talking about your arrival. The wizard lives this way, in the greenhouse, over there. Hey, where are you from? Where'd you live before moving here? Oh, hail the Grand Wizard! So, you are the new kid. Your coming was foretold by Coldwell Banker. I am the Wizard King. But the time for talk is not now. Let me show you my kingdom.
Oh, who's your new friend, Eric?
Shut up, Mom. Not now. Welcome to the kingdom of Koopa Keep. Our weapon shop here is tended by Clyde, a level 14 warrior. Here you can see our massive stables, overseen by the level 9 ranger, Scott Malkinson, who has the power of diabetes. And here, of course, is the breathtaking and lovely Princess Kenny, the fairest maiden in all the kingdom. Don't ask why Kenny wanted to be a chick, it's just how he seems to be rolling right now. You have been sought out, new kid, because humans everywhere are in great danger. I need something from you, and in return, I am prepared to allow you into my kingdom. I know you are very excited. It's time for your first quest, but first, please tell us thy name. You entered douchebag, is that correct? Are you sure you want to keep the name douche? Very well, douchebag. You will now choose a class: fighter, mage, thief, or Jew. A fighter has courage, honor, and the ability to kick fucking ass. A mage is like a wizard, only not as cool. You look sneaky enough to be a thief. Jew, huh? So I guess we'll never really be friends. A fighter has courage, honor, and the ability to kick fucking ass. We welcome to our kingdom, Douchebag the Fighter. Hooray! Now please, go and visit the weapon shop. Procure yourself a weapon and we shall teach you to fight. Would you like to see my wares, weary traveler? Perhaps you would like to hear tips and rumors for $2? Ah, a lovely purchase. Ah, you have procured a weapon. Yes. It's now time to teach you how to fight. I want you to take your new weapon and, with the bravery of a noble knight, beat up Clyde. What? Kick Clyde's ass, new kid. What'd I do? I'm the king, Clyde, and the king wishes to be amused. Go on, new kid, kick his ass. I'm gonna kick your ass. Clyde, you have to wait your turn. That's lame. No, Clyde, it's like olden times. You have to wait your turn, like in the Middle Ages, Clyde. I know it's lame, Clyde, but that's how we're fucking doing it. All right, douchebag, bash Clyde's face in. Don't be shy. That all you got? Oh my god, it's Butters all over again. Okay, look, try putting your back into it at the last possible moment. Try again. Focus right before you strike. Ah! Oh, hell yeah, Clyde's your bitch. All right, Clyde's wearing armor. In order to hurt him, I want you to hit Clyde as hard as you can. Oh, shit, dude, I think I see blood. Fucking nice, bro. It's exactly what you do to guys with armor like that. Okay, listen up. The key to surviving in battle is not to get hit in the bows. Clyde, it's your turn to attack. Douchebag, protect your bows. Prepare yourself. Ouch! No, I said protect. Protect your bows. This is unblockable. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Dude, you're already way better than Clyde. All right, it's time to use your heroic powers. Using your ability takes power points, or PP for short. PP. If you have a fucking better name for them, then fucking say it, Clyde. Fucking asshole. I'm the king, and I say it's PP. Douchebag, use your fighter ability to make Clyde pay for insulting the king. Oh! Way to wipe that smile off his stupid face, douchebag. Now do it one more time. Finish him. What? I was going easy. Take this. Yeah! Dude, that was awesome! You were all like, beam, and Clyde was all like, nah. Okay. You prove yourself worthy, douchebag. Now come inside the war tent and I shall let you see the relic. Well, here it is. The reason why humans and elves are locked in a never-ending war. The relic for which human and elf are willing to die. The Stick of Truth. Just 2 days ago, we took the stick back from the elves. Our kingdom was dying, but now it thrives. For whoever controls the stick controls the universe. Don't gaze at it too long, for its power is too much for mere mortals to look at. Now that you have seen the Stick of Truth, let's discuss your dues. Being a member of my kingdom costs $9.95 for the first week, $4 of which is tax deductible. Alarm! 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 Someone has sounded the alarm! 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 What is it?
The elves are attacking!
Oh my god! Defensive positions! Man the gate! Don't let them through! Give us the stick, humans! Fuck you, Drow Elf! Come and get it! Clyde, guard the Stick of Truth while we defend the fortress! Aye, aye! Aye, aye, we're not playing pirates, Clyde! Douchebag, this is your chance to prove yourself. Hold off the asshole elves at all costs!
What are you looking at, pussy? Ha!
Do it, douchebag. Kick these elves' asses. You're wounded, douchebag. Potions will heal you. Here. The rules say you can have 1 potion every turn. I asked for 5, but this was a compromise. This guy's fast, douchebag. Try to block all his attacks. Well, if this job doesn't work out, at least you've got a future as a training dummy. Come on, get it right. I said block, not get nailed by. Maybe I wasn't clear. Try again. I said block, not get nailed by. Maybe I wasn't clear. Try again.
Die, asshole!
Okay, if you block all the attacks, you get a counterattack. Look at your enemy on the ground. Weak and helpless. Kick the shit out of him. Awesome, you kicked his helpless ass. Now finish off these elves in the name of the Wizard King.
You're mine now!
Great job, douchebag.
Ow!
Butter! You got this, douchebag. What are you waiting for, douchebag? That guy's just standing there. Go kick his ass. Oh man, he was totally waiting for you, dude. You can't just hit him like that. You need to try a different tactic to damage him. Look at that archer hiding behind his friend like a wuss. Switch to your arrows, douchebag. Snipe that little bitch. Sweet, now you can hit the guy in the back. Go for the pink mist. Yeah, bitch, that's what you get for fucking with the Wizard King. Careful, douchebag. That guy's ready for your arrows now. You gotta try something else. Oh. Ah! Great job, douchebag.
Hey, that hurt!
Kick their asses, new kid! I got your back! Let's do this, douchebag. Okay, that guy has a shield. Shields are super weak. Just hit them with your simplest hit over and over to wear them down quickly. Hell yeah, that's how you do it. The other elf let his guard down. Now's your chance. Power attack his armor. Ow! That's it. Now finish him. Now. Drow elves, fall back! Fall back, I say! Yes! Awesome, dude! Take that, you asshole elves! Better luck next time! Na 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 na! We still control the universe! It's God. What? The stick of truth. The elves got it. That was your one goddamn job, Clyde! To guard the stick of fucking truth! Clyde, you are hereby banished from space and time! What? No! You can't do that. Yeah, I can! You're banished and lost in time and space!
Yeah, go home, Clyde.
You fought bravely on the battlefield, douchebag.
Yeah, this new kid may be a douchebag, but he sure can fight.
Shut up, Scott. Nobody cares what you think. Anyways, we have a bigger problem now. The Stick of Truth has been stolen, and we must assemble our entire army in order to get it back.
But our 3 best warriors still haven't reported for duty, my king.
Our newest member can take care of that. Douchebag, I want you to go out into the neighborhood and find my greatest warriors, Token, Tweak, and Craig. I'm texting their pictures to your personal inventory device now. But beware. The lands outside are full of marauding drow elves, monsters, and 6th graders. Be sure you're well equipped. Now go! And send my warriors here! Fighters, go with him.
Guess I'm minding the shop now. You need any weapons or armor? Here's what we're selling today. Deal! Got something you want to sell? Got some pretty good word here. How may I be of service? You name it, we'll sell it. We aren't allowed to go into the street. It's such an open world, our parents don't want us getting hurt.
The Wizard King says I'm too ginger to be one of the humans, but Paladin Butters lets me be his squire on the sly.
Paladins seek justice for all races.
These lands hold many dangers, new kid.
Yeah, you moved to the wrong realm.
Nice hair, douchebag.
Take that! You're hurt. This looks like a job for Paladin Butters. I got your back, yo. I'm beat. I better wait a turn before I do any more healing. Take that! Hey, look, you're bleeding. It looks bad. Here, take some of this magic cure potion. Make sure you always carry a few potions. Just don't get grounded for raiding the apothecary's pantry like I did.
Ah.
By the hammer of Butters! No, no! Ah!
Ow! You want some of this? Leave us alone! Ow! Oh, I wanted to show mercy.
Sorry, but we can't be friends until you have more friends. I'm actually faster
Sure
at
is a lot of
Facebook
walking.
messaging than I am at speaking. Here, this'll just go a lot faster if I friend you.
Die, asshole!
Yo, dog, can't I just go right back home after the flight so I don't get grounded?
We're still doing this, right?
Feel my righteous fury! I needed that. Off and
You looking for Craig? Well, he can't play. He's in detention. Something about flipping off the principal.
We better get to the other guys first.
Sorry, but we can't be friends until you have more friends.
Well, hey, Officer Butt Baby.
I'll be watching you, new kid, on Facebook. I hope you post a lot of cat pictures.
This here is the marketplace. This is where heroes can come for adventure and
Fuck
get
you,
nose
asshole!
tattooed and abortions.
I'm gonna mess you up, dude.
Right. Hey, mercy. Eye for an eye. Ow.
I could swear I heard a voice coming up from the sewers. It said something like, Hody how.
This movie's really sweet. Too bad you guys can't see it.
Hey, don't worry. I'm not here to hurt you. It's me, Al Gore. You know, Al Gore. I'm super important. All right, look. I've detected some very strange activity in this area. I believe we are dealing with Man-Bear Pig. Yes, the Man-Bear Pig. I know you're scared, but I need help. Take these and place them in the location specified on the Man-Bear map, Pig. And now I'm going to make you my friend on Facebook. This is very prestigious. You have my email now, but don't give it out to anybody. I'm super serial. Hurry! We must know if Man-Bear Pig is here or not.
Welcome to Tweak Coffee. Coffee made with ingredients supplied by local organic suppliers. It's local coffee, brewed locally.
Tweak? Tweak! Have you picked up the fresh local ingredients?
Not yet, Dad. I'm still trying to do all my chores.
Well, hurry up, son. The family business is relying on you.
What's this? Huh? Now? The guys need me now? Oh, there's no way, man. It's way too much to do. How am I supposed to do all this? Wait, you! Could you go get the 4 o'clock delivery for me? If you do, I can finish here and then I'll still have time to play. Please, would you? It's at Kenny's house, like always. You give them this, they'll give you the delivery. How am I supposed to do all of this? There's no way, man. Starbucks has like 8 employees. Here it's just me. More coffee. Need more coffee. More coffee. Need more coffee. Need more coffee.
No disrespect.
You should try
I
some
don't wanna be
coffee.
seen with
It
you.
gives you that edge you need to stay focused. You should try some coffee.
Hello there. If you're looking for Tweak, would you like to try some coffee?
Hey, you kids want to see a movie? Oh, that's right, you can't because it's rated R and it's too mature for you.
This.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
My frost giant isn't you slaying the mighty frost giant. I stand in awe of you, hero.
What? Oh, this isn't for me. This is for the nice people who are renting the guest house out in the back.
Yeah, we got the package for Tweak Cop.
Hey, that's not the usual kid that picks up the package.
Huh? Oh, shit. It's a kip!
The hammer of justice shall strike the nail of evil into the board of being sorry. No. To battle!
Yeah!
That was close! These witch doctors must be cooking up a secret potion. Wonder if it's a healing potion.
Yeah. You have to prove your maturity to see this movie, and you can't because you're not of sufficient age.
You did it! You got the pickup! Oh, thanks, man. Dad, I finished my work. Can I go play?
Where's today's delivery?
Right here!
Yep, that's good shit. All right, Tweak, you can play for a little bit. But be home before dark or you'll be grounded. Grounded, like the fresh grinds of our all-organic Tweak blend, made with ingredients from local tweakers.
Thanks, kid. I gotta go get changed, and then I'll meet you at the kingdom.
I'll give you a good price. I'll give you a good price.
How'd you feel to totally not be able to shield any Terrence and Phillip movie?
The stick is ours!
Some kids gave me the worst pink belly over there one. Stan one time gave me the grossest wet willy right here. Well, hello there, Jimbo and Ned.
Well, howdy there. Haven't seen you. Ain't much I can say. You remind me of a guy I served with in,
This elf is gonna fuck you up.
What if we just make friends instead? Sorry about this. I'm sorry.
Motherfucker!
There you go, Al.
Suck my balls.
Oh.
I hope they're just sleeping. You know you can die from a titty twister?
Out of my way. Oh, what sad time! Find Christ, my son, and
Give it back! Give it back! Why don't you make us? That's my Justin Bieber toy. Not anymore, it's not. Oh, did baby lose her toy? Who is this? Beat a kid if you know it's good for you.
Ah, shit. I hope we didn't hurt you too bad.
You like beating up on girls? Oh, I hope they didn't break it. Oh, phew. Hey, thanks. I owe you one, kid.
I saw 2 rats running around last time I was at Skeeter.
I don't know. I think you have a nice nose. I'd worry more about your hair if I was you.
Oh, hello. Are you interested?
Wow, you look pretty desperate.
Generally want to stay out of there if you're a fetus, yeah.
What the fuck? Oh no!
Ah, shit.
Ow! Ooh!
Sometimes my dad goes, feel my righteous fury! Whoa!
Ooh! Move along.
Oh boy, we won!
Yeah? Can I help you? What's this? Oh, the elves took the stick again? Hang on a second. Thank you for thy message, traveler. I shall make haste to Koopa Keep. Mom, can you drive me to Eric's house?
Move along, sir. I can't look at you without feeling.
Well, soldiers reporting for duty, Grand Wizard!
Nice work, douchebag. Now all my men are here and ready to fight for the... Wait a minute. Where's Feldspar? Where's my level 12 thief?
Hey, yeah, where's Craig?
He's in detention.
What?
He flipped off the principal, so he's in detention again!
Oh my god. If they've locked away our thief in detention, we have no hope of getting back the Stick of Truth. We have to break him out.
Ah! No way, man! Last time we broke Craig out of detention, we all got in trouble!
Getting into trouble is a risk that douchebag is willing to take. You have to break out our thief, douchebag. But don't worry, I will not let you go unprepared. I'm going to teach you how to use magic. Meet me at the training barracks. It's time for you to learn Dragon Shout.